So in this second experiment of Java programming, first create the Java project, new Java project. So I will give one name for this Java project as a suppose calculator. Finish. Then right click on it, create a class, cal, click on finish. So here this package is generated, calculator. Then one class cal, calculator class is generated, and we are using this main method for the Java program. And I will write the logic here. So this is the main program for this calculator. So as a scanner input is used, here we have to define the input or import scanner. So we can write before package, here we can define import Java util scanner. After package we can write it. So after public class or after by using this main method, here main program will start character. Here one character is used as an operator, named as operator. Then we are using the data type double with these three variables, number one, number two, and result. Because we are performing different mathematical operations in calculator, arithmetic operations by using these two variables, number one and number two, and its result is stored in result variable. So here from to get the input from the user, we can use that scanner input equal to new scanner system.in, and it will display system.out println, that is new line. So it will display choose an operator. Here first we have to select the operator, whether plus, minus, multiplication or division. And here when we click on that, when we select the operator, then it will take as a input as a operator. So operator is equal to input dot next dot char at 0 semicolon. So it will select the it will take the operator from the user, either plus, minus, addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. After that we will give the first input from the user, that is system out println, enter first number. So here user will enter the first number. Then number one is equal to input dot next double, that is the method to get the integer from the user. Similarly, we can display the another message, that is enter second number, and we will get the second number variable. So number two is equal to input dot next double. After that, by using switch case operator, we can solve this. We can write the program for this Java programming for calculator. So in case switch operator, there are different case options. So case for addition, that is case in single quote plus. So what will be the result for this case? Result equal to number one plus number two. When we press addition, then it will add this number 1 and number 2, store in a result and show the output, that is system.out println number 1 plus. So here this will display in double quote plus number 2 in double quote equal to, and it will show the result. So first number, second number, and its result is displayed when we press that plus operator. For minus operator, again it will take the number 1 and number 2, take its subtraction, result is stored in result variable, and system.out.println, it will show the output, that is number 1 minus number 2 is equal to its result. Similarly, for multiplication, number 1 into number 2, it will show its multiplication. For a division operator, number 1 divided by number 2, it will show the division and its result in result variable. So in each case statement, we are writing break command or break statement. And finally, after these four stages, there is a one more default case, that is system.out.println invalid operator. So if there is no any operator selected, then we can display as an invalid operator and break, and then it will close the input. So there is no any input selected after that. So I will just click on the run, and it will show this different operator. Okay, so I will select this plus operator, enter first number. So here I will enter first number as a 10, enter second number, I will enter second number as a 20, and I have selected the plus operator here. So it will show the 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. So here it will select the operator and its addition is 30. So in this way, we can perform the multiplication, division, subtraction, remaining mathematical operations. So this is the calculator, which is created in Java programming, and we can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication or division operation for this, and it will show the output here. So this is our second experiment of Java programming. Thank you.